If you are taking a blade to your most sensitive, delicate areas, the baseline requirement is that you walk away without nicks, cuts, or irritation. That is the entire point of buying a dedicated body trimmer. But when you actually go to buy one right now, you are immediately hit with a massive price gap. You have entry-level models sitting around $30 and luxury devices pushing past $110. This creates an immediate choice. You have to decide if you are paying for a high-end, completely friction-free grooming experience, or if you simply want the most financially efficient tool to get the job done. It is easy to be skeptical here. Brands throw around proprietary trademarked terms to convince you their blades are completely nick-proof. To be clear, no trimmer guarantees perfect cut protection. You still deal with moving metal teeth. The reality of the market is that a standard $33 device is going to flawlessly execute about 90% of your required grooming routine. It will trim the hair down quickly and effectively. The massive 200% price markup comes entirely from chasing that last 10% of capability. Things like ultra-close foil finishes, built-in LED lighting, and wireless charging. Success in the 2026 market depends on matching a specific tier of features to your personal risk tolerance, grooming habits, and budget. At the very top of the market, priced at $109.99, is the Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra. Looking at these two interchangeable heads, you can see why it costs more. Manscaped uses a two-step system. You knock down the bulk of the hair with the standard trimmer blade, and then you swap to the foil blade to achieve a completely smooth, skin-close finish. It also includes a built-in dual-temperature LED. That sounds entirely unnecessary until you are trying to navigate precision grooming in a poorly lit shower, at which point the direct illumination becomes incredibly practical. They market this with their skin-safe technology. While that doesn't rewrite the laws of physics or make cuts impossible, the engineering does alter the blade geometry in a way that noticeably protects loose skin compared to standard clippers. It rounds out the premium specs with a built-in travel lock so it doesn't die in your gym bag, and a universal USB-C port that is compatible with wireless charging pads. And with an IPX7 rating, it is built to handle full water submersion. You can drop it in the bath or run it straight under heavy shower water without compromising the motor. This bar chart breaks down the financial reality of those features. The base functionality accounts for roughly $33 of value. The remaining $77 is a 200% premium specifically for the dual head, the lighting, and the charging tech. This device operates on diminishing returns. It delivers a genuinely zero-snag, ultra-smooth finish, but if you never attach the foil blade or use the LED, you are heavily overpaying for hardware you don't use. That brings us to the budget tier, starting with Meridian's The Trimmer Original, currently heavily discounted down to $33.19. The defining difference here is material. On the left is Meridian ceramic blade, on the right, standard steel. Ceramic maintains its sharpness significantly longer than stainless steel and physically generates far less friction.
Less friction equals lower thermal output. If you are operating a trimmer against sensitive skin for 10 or 15 minutes, a blade that stays cool dramatically improves the physical comfort of the routine. Out of the box, it gives you two adjustable guide combs, covering lengths from 3 up to 12 millimeters, providing solid coverage for standard maintenance. And it carries massive market validation. With over 34,000 highly rated customer reviews, it is one of the most thoroughly tested and trusted devices available. Right next to it in the mid-range bracket is the Manspot groin and body hair trimmer, priced at $31.99 with a checkout coupon. Manspot's primary advantage is pure operational endurance. This device delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, removing the constant need to hover near a bathroom wall outlet. So you have a clear split in the $30 bracket. The Manspot gives you a superior battery life and 4 separate guard options, while the Meridian offers stronger brand credibility and decades of user trust. Ultimately, these represent the best return on investment for an average user. They handle all standard trimming perfectly, and you are only sacrificing niche luxury extras to keep the price down. Which leaves the legacy market option, the Philips Norelco Body Groomer 5000 series, priced at $74.99. Philips approaches skin safety through their Triple Skin Protect system.
They use patented pearl tips and a specific skin guard designed to process dense body hair while actively reducing surface irritation. Where it truly excels is micro-precision. The Norelco allows you to dial in your trimming lengths down to exactly 0.2 millimeters, giving you intense control over the final result. However, it lacks the massive social proof of its competitors. At the time of this review, it carries just over 300 customer ratings, a tiny fraction compared to the tens of thousands backing the cheaper models. This creates a legacy tax scenario. You are paying $75 specifically for minute length adjustments and a brand name, but missing out entirely on the luxury hardware of Manscaped and the stark cost efficiency of Meridian. When you have devices built for entirely different priorities, a simple 1 through 4 ranking falls apart. The best tool depends entirely on your specific habits. This 2x2 grooming matrix maps the options out logically based on your budget and your end goal. If you are a time-poor, budget-conscious user who just wants simple, safe, and cheap maintenance, you are a value pragmatist. The Meridian Original is your best bet. If you prioritize maximum flexibility, multiple guard lengths, and you hate charging your devices, you are an endurance groomer. Go with the Manspot. If you have exceptionally dense hair and require exact fraction of a millimeter adjustments to get the look right, you fall into the precision loyalist quadrant. The Philips Norelco fits the bill. And if you are an aesthetic-first groomer who demands a highly visible, frictionless, perfectly smooth foil routine, you are a premium optimizer. The Manscaped 5.0 Ultra is the required investment. The most effective tool is the one that explicitly aligns with your personal grooming frequency and financial threshold.